Hello, my name is Marcello, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tel-Link URL caller plugin, or sorry, extension for Google Chrome. I already have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the button here. It's going to ask me what the URL is, and I'm going to go ahead and input the URL to my local free PBX server. And then where it says number, I'm going to go ahead and place the word phone inside of curly brackets, and then I'm going to click save, and here it says options saved. And so now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this test page that I have, and I'm going to click on the first link. It's going to ask me if I want to call that number, and I'm going to click OK. My desk phone starts ringing, and when I pick it up, my cell phone starts ringing. So that's all it takes to get started with this plugin. If you have any questions, leave them in the description below or create an issue on the GitHub page.